everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata. In today's video, guys, I am so excited to share with you my little red dress for the Little Red Dress project. As you can see, here it is behind me. It is such a beautiful dress. I had the time of my life making this top because, as you guys can see, the neckline is just wow. So meet me in the next clip and I will dive deeper into this project. Before I go further, I just want to say thank you all so much for taking part in the Little Red Dress project. I only decided 1 month before I really wanted to do it, and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me, joining and taking part in such an amazing project. I can't believe how many people said yes and they're in, and it was just so amazing to see all of you guys posting your project updates, your fabric, the patterns you chose, and then submitting your final project. So in the next day or so, I'm going to check everyone's submission. I will also just head over to Instagram and let you guys know who is the lucky winner by random drawing for this challenge. So this dress that I made is from the Burner Style magazine, September issue of 2011. Now guys, it is the day before New Year's. Everyone's outside and they are just setting off firecrackers, so I'm going to try to do this really quick. Tomorrow I'm going to wear this dress and do my 360, so I can't wait to share that video with you guys because I have a really nice idea of what I want it to look like. Alright, this dress has been on my radar for a little while, but I was a bit nervous just because you guys can see the neckline there. It is dramatic, it is beautiful, it says wow, and I just love it, but I wasn't too sure if I could make it. You know, certain things you're like, oh, I'm going to wait a little while until I'm more experienced, and then you're always worried about what fabric you're going to use and if you're going to wreck it because it's such a nice fabric and it's a good design and you don't want to waste time. So I've always like kind of put it on the back burner. But when I decided to do this challenge this year, I was just flipping through magazines. I'm like, I have so many Burner Style magazine, I am going to pick one, and I found this one. This dress is just awesome. What can I say except I feel really proud that I accomplished this amazing project. As you guys can tell, the construction of that neckline was a labor of love. The first time I put the pieces together, I just wasn't sure what went wrong. But then I realized that I placed the centermost insert on the wrong side or opposite side of the front of the center front. I laid it incorrectly. And then once I realized that, and I unpicked it and then I put it in its proper place, it was smooth sailing after that. The main portion of this project that would give you a headache or make you think, why on earth am I doing this, is the bodice. It's the front, it's the neckline. I love working with Ponte knit. This is my first time working with this fabric. As far as I can remember, I'm pretty sure this is the first time. And I love the weight of the fabric. I love the recovery of it, which is a running theme on my channel. Recovery, lycra, stretch, recovery. I love when fabrics come back into the shape that they were cut into and they hold you like an envelope. So that was really nice to work with and realize that I have a new found love for ponte knits. So I will be experimenting with those fabric type in 2021. Nothing else. That was the bulk of the project, mastering the neckline. And once that was done, it was smooth sailing. So let's just take a minute to check out the 360, enjoy some music, and then meet me back here.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love.
There you have it. What do you guys think of the 2020 year of the C19 little red dress? I think it was an amazing make. It was just so beautiful. I love my backdrop. I've been trying really hard to pick awesome backdrops just so that my sewing projects can pop out. I want this channel to be a place that you guys can come to find inspiration, not just for like the sewing project, but how to style it, how to take your photos, where to take your photos, what sort of imagery you're looking for in the background, what sort of themes you would like to have your videos and your photos exude. So hopefully I bring more content like this for you guys in 2021, and you'll continue to support my channel. Thank you guys so much for being outstanding and amazing with me in the year 2020, and I look forward to sharing amazing things in 2021. Thank you guys again. If you like this content, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel as well as give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to find me on Instagram at The Twilight Stitcher, as well as sharing this content with your friends and relatives, anyone that you think may be inspired by a video such as this. I would love for you to share it with them. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.